Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Gemini and ChatGPT extension in your Google Chrome browser. With this extension, your life will be more easy. You can access more AI feature in your browser. So I'm going to open my browser to add this extension. Simply here search Gemini extension and go to this first website. Click on Add to Chrome, Add extension. Now it may take some time to add. So our extension is added. Now we need to manage shortcut. Or you can manage your shortcut from here. Simply pin this. So you can see this keyboard shortcut. Active the extension Alt plus G. So I'm going to close this one. Now we're going to add ChatGPT extension in our browser. Simply search ChatGPT extension. And go to this first website. And add this extension in your browser. Add to Chrome. Add extension. It takes some time to add our browser. Now manage your extension by clicking extension in the tool menu. I'm going to add this in our tool menu and pin this. So click on this. We need to log in our account. So I'm going to close this one. You can sign in this with your Gmail account. So I'm going to close this one. Now you can see our extension is added in our browser. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, please subscribe this channel for more videos.